Let me show you how to create this text effect. First, create a new project. Make it 1920 by 1080 and follow other settings and choose white background and follow other setting. First, type your text and rescale it by press Ctrl-T. Now right-click on the text layer and convert it to Smart Object. Then go to Filter and go to Blur Gallery, then choose Field Blur. Now set its blur to 4, then click OK. Again, go to Filter and got to Blur Gallery and choose Iris Blur. Now rotate our ellipse and set it at the beginning. And set its blur to 14. Now click on the background layer and go to Adjustment option, then click on Solid Color. Now choose your color. Now let's insert our dust texture to Photoshop. Then change its blending mode to soft light. And reduce its fill to 67. Yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.